You're beautiful and attractive. Thank you. When Costa Rica, I've already been to Costa Rica and I didn't like it. What do you do for work? Just check my links and find it by yourself. Saludos. Saludos. Cancun. Never been to Cancun. But yeah. Mexico is nice. Thank you. She makes people happy. Yeah. That is exactly what I do. Are you happy now, guys? If yes, that's my job. Thank you guys for following me. Guys, check my links and follow me everywhere. Okay? You know? Everywhere. Mamacita, papacito. You like my dimples? Yeah. I didn't choose to have it. I just have it and burn like this. So, outfit. Is that the outfit? It's Fanta. You like Fanta or you prefer Coke? I don't like sodas, by the way. Not at all. No sodas for me. Not even Sprite. No Dr. Pepper. Nothing. So, water. Not even sparkling water. So, yeah. Just still water. I'm from Russia. And you? Where are you from? Why nobody asking me something? Just ask. Thank you, Dasha, for the rose. This is nice. About me. Where you been? Where you been? Let's see more of you. Yes! Click on my links on my bio on TikTok. Where are your pants? On my wardrobe. Where should I stay? On the wardrobe. I don't need pants. They are more comfortable like this. Thank you for the rose, guys. Thank you. Thank you for following me. Where are you from, guys? It's beautiful. What? Arigato. I saw some Japanese people here. So, arigato, konnichiwa. I can speak different language. Just try. Ask me something in your language. USA, South Carolina. That's easy. That's English. Salvador, Spanish. It's easy. Iowa, English. Everyone is from Iowa. But where are my pants? Why? Why everybody is concerned by my pants? Just look at you. Where are your pants? Where are? Are you wearing pants? No? So why are you asking me if I'm wearing pants? Do you have it? Or you don't? Let's go. Love. Up. Mine also are off. You're right. So why are you asking me if I have my pants? Ask yourself why you don't have pants. It's not easy to find my Instagram because I got the banner. So yeah, thank you for following me, guys. Why is it so difficult to drink from these glasses? Show what? Show what? Remember what? It's going too fast. I can't read all the message. Don't limp. Then girl. Then you. How do you pronounce it? IG, guys, check my links in bio. Up what? Up what? Your beautiful eyes, thank you. Alabama, nice. Bikini, I can. You like my back dimples? Yes, thanks. No! Save it. You're beautiful, thank you. Hi. Hi. How do you say hi in your language? Metal. You want metal? No, I don't like metal. Hola. No, pens are the best pens. Why? Guys, 360. I can't. I can't. You know why? Are you not wearing pants? No, why should I? Why? How can I dance? Like this. I can even not doing this. Like almost. It's not easy. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo Papa. Wow. Oh my gosh, messages are going too fast. I can't read that. Up what? I can't stand up. I can't. No, I do not have pets. I would like to have a cat, a ragdoll. So if someone wants to buy me a ragdoll, it will be my husband. I really want to have a ragdoll. But I don't have a lot of time to manage a cat. You need time. Pets are not part of this life. Okay? I'm in this life, not the pants. Don't care about my pants. I like your eyes, thank you. I like blue eyes. Both on me or on other people. If you have blue eyes, you could probably be my husband. Because I want kids with blue eyes. Hola hermosa, hola. Ice cream what? Thank you for following me, guys. Where are you from? Green eyes. Green eyes are fine. Beautiful eyes, by the way. Thank you guys for following me. Remember to follow me everywhere.